70s, got years of experience. Can you compare? Whoa.
Yeah, that's my...
Oh.
The doorbell?
Next thing I know, we are, keep a green or something, and a 10-foot sculpture of RoboCop arrived in the shop here, made out of styrofoam. The hardest part of this has been to, come up with a final product, quality product, with the kind of money that we're working with, and it's difficult. We plan on finishing this like in the spring. What happens after that, I have no idea. Where it goes or where it doesn't go, I don't know anything after that. I just know that I have to finish by the spring. Every day I love my work, so I wake up, I can't wait till I get to my shop and work. So it doesn't matter the scale. It's not, I have done sculptures that 6 times that size, you know what I mean? 40, 50, 60 feet tall, so size is not, it's the creativity that, sometimes you get, off track, but, you just gotta slap yourself up a little bit, get right back at it again, That's all. Especially when something takes that long, because I like the project, you know what I mean? Everybody else would have looked at it as a job, and I looked at it as, do something for Detroit, here I am, foreigner, he gave me an opportunity to do, my work and do it well, and I want to do something, so that's about it.